In today's video, I'm going to teach you using CRM with ClickUp quick guide. If you're setting this up in 2026 or simply refining your workflow, this walkthrough will help you build a clean, reliable CRM inside ClickUp without the guesswork. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. You'll land in your workspace dashboard, which acts as your command center. Take a moment to notice the left sidebar and the main views. This orientation helps later when you're switching between lists, tasks, and your CRM pipeline. Next, click the plus icon to open up your template options, then choose Templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they bundle structure, fields, and views that would take ages to build by hand. In the template modal, use the search bar and type CRM. ClickUp will filter results to show CRM-ready options tailored for account and deal tracking, notes, priorities, and follow-ups. Select the CRM template titled Account Management. This option comes pre-configured with lists and fields that match common customer relationship workflows. Click Use Template to start applying it. When prompted, enter a clear, descriptive name for where this template will live. Think CRM sales or client accounts. Good naming conventions make it easy for your team to find and use the space consistently. Confirm by clicking Use Template again, and ClickUp will generate your CRM structure. With your CRM created, you can begin working immediately. Click Add Task to create a new customer, deal, or touchpoint. You can also open and edit any task that came with the template. Adjust the title, description, custom fields, and due dates to match your process. When you've made changes, click Save, so your updates are locked in and visible to your team. Set priorities to keep your pipeline focused. Edit the priority field and select the level that fits. If something is urgent, choose High. Consistent priorities help you sort and act quickly, especially in list or board views. Now, refine your contacts and accounts. Open your contacts list and update details like company, status, next action, and owner. If you're adding someone new, create a new client record and fill in only what's necessary to get started. You can enrich details over time. As a best practice, avoid entering real sensitive data in demos and keep your fields standardized so reports stay clean. And that's it. Your CRM in ClickUp is ready. This setup streamlines tracking relationships, coordinating follow-ups, and aligning your team in one place. If you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to explore further customizations to match your unique process.